Alright, I'm back over here at Dad's shop. We're back on the 4-hour build, but in all honesty, it's a little more than 4 hours. He's been really putting in some hours on it here lately, but I think he's been kind of anxious about not being able to work on it all summer and most all spring. So anyway, little updates on where he's been. You can see here how he had to jog the steering column around these exhaust manifolds. Still the mock-up motor, but these are the exhaust manifolds you're going to run on it. You can see there how we had to U-join it there, bring it back, join it there, stuck a pillow bearing in it, and then welded that to the frame. That makes it solid so it doesn't wiggle woggle all the way around. And then sleeved it here to the rag joint for the steering box. Had to clearance it a little bit because the sleeve's a whole lot thicker. And you can see here the plug welds, and actually these two shafts, they're actually about in here somewhere. So that's totally good and strong now, and a good connection. But you can kind of see how we go about jogging it way over. And now the inside. Grab that light. We got the column set. Standard. This is that 70 something, maybe early 80s GM steering column. Cut it clear back and stuck the U-joint on it right there. But that's where she'll be. So she's got a full tilt and everything. We didn't have a steering wheel for this one. And if you've ever been in a 39, these things, 39 Chevy, they're tiny in here. And again, you can see the hump there. And you can see how close I was. I was really fighting for room. Because this is the nice, already upholstered bench seat, and we're gonna run it because, well, it's nice and it's already there. Yeah, that's an LED light, so yeah, she's not burning it up. Got a tractor weight holding her down. Back here, you can see where we had to cut the back of the floor and raise it up for driveline clearance. And again, when you deal with bench seats, you kind of got to deal with that. We're right at the razor's edge there. And then we'll, of course, fill in the panel there and everything. This is all just in test fit. I just barely got this set and this seat set in there. But that's where it is. You can see where he's been. And here he is. Hard at work on the 39.
Well, hi. I must be on candid camera.
Showing them all the stuff that you've been torturing yourself with here.
I came in the shop to get a hammer.
Anyway,
Well, we got all
that's where she's at. So,
oh, that looks good. Okay.
you put 4 hours a day in them,
Okay.
eventually they'll get on the road.
Okay. Bye.
Actually, we tend to get one
Oh,
About one a year.
got leg room back here.
A little surprised about that?
I am surprised. We can't move the front seat back because
That's as
Of
far
the-
as she goes.
the door latch,
Uh-huh.
you know, has to be right there.
And the window crank and everything is way forward on that door.
Yeah.
And
Well, it's a suicide door, so.
we're at the very bottom of the slider adjuster right there. So she can't come back any farther than that.
And it can't go down any because of the hump.
The hump. You should have talked Karen into some bucket seats up there. We could have raised that hump all the
Oh,
way up.
the hump would have been high. Just like the other cars.
Made a column all the way to the back, an
Yeah.
armrest.
But that's what it is. And I put that steering wheel right in the right spot. And there's a little, it's going to be tight. But yeah, I mean, it's a hot rod, you know what? It's got to be tight.
It's a rat rod.
It's a rat rod.